So we're starting the van because the battery is ready to die. Is it ready? I might be dead.
Yeah, it might.
It's
It's probably a little more than usual. Ow. See what happens. Whew, it's hot in here.
Whew. Oh, then. Okay, come on, boy. Oh, let go. We came too late.
So it doesn't go?
No,
What happens if I do it?
don't stop.
Oh, God.
Oh, stop. Pull it out. It's gonna die. Oh, we're too late. Is this locked to jump in? Should we? I don't know if you're supposed to do that with a hybrid and a regular. Besides, you'd have to drive like right over here to do it.
You wouldn't want to.
You're right.
Now what do we do?
So now we're at the Dollar Tree. What happened with the van? The battery died. We can't start it. We can't do nothing with it. I'm pissed off about it. And I don't even know what we're here.
What is this thing here?
I don't know.
It's carbonator.
The van has a carbonator now. But our stuff's over here.
Yeah, don't leave this up.
Somebody's gonna touch this crap.
19. Oh, it's a calendar.
Oh, it's a planner. You plan what you're gonna do every day.
Kind of like this. It comes with a pen too. It's not bad.
You gotta write in it if you gotta. You should kind of get the planner.
What?
The planner would be cool, right?
Wood.
I'm already getting this because it's spare. Because I keep using up all our dad's soap. So I had one of these, but it was
It's
chrome.
We have a cat here.
Really?
Maybe
cool.
we can get a cat. Oh, they only have that one green cat. Not bad.
Not bad. So what do you like better, that or the notebook? The two would go together.
Or split.
Yeah.
And I was looking at some cologne, guys. The house has a broken pen. You guys can get another broken pen.
They sell oil here.
Hey, look, these.
Like-
This isn't bad. One of these.
So they sell oil, like engine oil for cars. And
They have like
take it from me, don't buy that stuff.
box. You say not don't buy the oil.
Don't buy the oil
The
here
oil
because
here.
it's really cheap. You don't want to put anything. I always bought like expensive $20 Mobile One and Ford Motorcraft oil because that's the real deal. Don't buy any less than that, okay? It's just my 2 cents.